Hello, welcome to this chill white PC gaming build from HGPCs. First step, we need to install our Ryzen 7 5700X into our B450M Pro ARGB motherboard. Now we are installing 32GB of DDR4 RAM from Crucial. Now it's time for the 1TB Crucial P3 Plus NVMe SSD. Now the motherboard has been installed into our case. Now we need to screw the motherboard in. And connect a few of the cables. We are now unboxing our new AIO from Thermalright. This should greatly increase the thermal performance of the CPU. Now we need to apply some thermal paste to the CPU. And here we use the spreader to spread the thermal paste. Now we need to take this peel off of the AIO. Now we need to install it into the case. And let's install the radiator into the top of the case. Now we need to add the RTX 3050 from MSI to the build. Let's connect the power connector. Now the only thing left to do is connect everything to our 850 watt Gamemax Modular PSU. Now that it's built, let's turn it on. We are now testing it on some games, and as you can see here, we are getting extremely high FPS from this. Thank you all so much for watching this video. This has been a really fun build, and we hope you enjoyed the video. This has been HGPCs. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on notifications. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.